Okay, now to another side of this weather story. This warm spell has had air conditioners buzzing for the first time this year, and it's led to a spike in service calls as well. CTV's Colton Weens was speaking with a business handling exactly these kind of calls on a warm day like today. Colton, what are they experiencing?
Tony, they say they've seen an influx of calls all this week and have been basically taking over different roles for each other to make sure that they get to all those service calls. But they also say it's not that uncommon to see this amount of calls during this time of year. But there's always things that you can do if you are a homeowner and you have an AC unit to make sure that it's running properly at this time.
And turn the unit on.
This air conditioning unit not turning on for this Kitchener home on Tuesday. Just one of the many calls Able Air Conditioning and Heating is receiving in this warm weather.
Several customers already in the past few days depleting my truck stock of all my parts, which is no problem at all. We keep well stocked and a lot of materials on hand just for these scenarios, but definitely keeping an eye on it every year.
There are several things you can do to make sure your unit is running smoothly this spring. The biggest tip, make sure your furnace filter is clean so the air conditioning isn't fighting with any clogs.
Airflow is the most important thing, of course, so it always starts inside. Keep the air filter clean all year round.
Gingrich says owners should also keep the area around the AC unit outside clear. And you can always spray the side coils with a hose to cool it down.
You can always give your coil a rinse off. It collects a lot of debris, and it's always better to have a professional do it, but if you're out here with the garden hose, water's not going to hurt it. It's just going to help wash some of it off. Of course, you want to turn it off. If you spray in there with the garden hose, you're going to have the fan blow.
While the weather is expected to cool off over the coming days, Gingrich says cleaning your ventilation ducts can also help clear the way. And keeping the fan on inside can help move cooler air all over the home.
Circulating that air helps move the air around my home, eliminating a few of those cold spots. We can also bring up some of that cold air from our naturally cold basements up into the higher levels of the home.
But regular checkups on your HVAC system and keeping your air filter clean can go a long way in keeping your home from overheating.
If you have a plan with somebody, this is obviously the best thing to do, then you don't have to worry about it.
That warning came in, but Gingrich was basically saying the main thing you need to do is make sure that your air filter is clean. Now, the MERV rating on your air filter can change how often you need to change it, but he does say to just make sure that your air is flowing. Check your air filter about every 30 days. Tony.
That's a good time for it. Okay, Colton, thank you. CTV's Colton Weens on the heat wave we've been experiencing.